Hi there, this is Jisoo Peck with Rocket Chat once again. Today we're talking about what it looks like for a regular user using Omnichannel. So today I'm going to go ahead and log in as a regular user. I've gone ahead and created these credentials for this particular user, but we do have the ability to single sign on with a variety of different single sign on solutions. When this user logs in, they're shown a very limited view in what they're shown and able to do. This is on purpose, of course. As you saw from our previous admin view, I had much more intensive view into what was available and what was going on within my particular server. But as a agent, I am available. I am currently able to take tickets. So for now, we're going to go ahead and actually create a ticket through WhatsApp to show you exactly what that looks like. I've got my WhatsApp application open here. So hi there, need help. And when I send that particular ticket through, on the left-hand side, you'll notice that has now entered into our queue. As a support agent, this is coming in into what we call our manual routing system. This is able to be picked up by any available agent at the moment. So I'm going to take that. At this point, our CRM integration kicks in, where we're able to integrate with a variety of different CRMs. In this example, we have integrated with Salesforce, so this way you can review the contact info if there was contact information or review any particular previous interactions. So at this point, I'm able to say, hi, how can I help? Or alternatively, we have the ability to use canned responses. So as an example, I've done !X, which then translates into how can I help? These are customizable, 100% customizable, I should say. So dependent on whatever you need and whatever kind of hotkey method you would want to use there. When that response gets sent away, that does show up, of course, on the customer side. And they're able to chat back and forth and hopefully solve whatever issue is currently bugging the customer. At this point, as an agent, maybe I want to close out this ticket, maybe I need to forward this ticket to a different department or escalate this ticket to a particular user, I'm able to do so. Or if I finished helping them, I'm able to close out this ticket and basically we can require any closed tags and require comments, of course. And that would close out the ticket. On the customer's end, they receive an automated message as far as thanks for reaching out. That is also customizable. You can enable that, disable that, whatever you'd like as an admin. But that was just the general view of what it looks like for a support user. You can, of course, receive tickets from a variety of different sources, such as live chat, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, SMS, email, so just a variety of different ways, and of course we're adding new channels of communication every day. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at presales@rocket.chat, or you can find us on our server at open.rocket.chat. Thanks, have a great day.